So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came here on a very important opportunity from the Internshala, and this is called a Grand Summer Internship Fair. So they are providing 35,000 plus internship and stipend up to 60,000 per month, and this is a wonderful opportunity. So what's in the fair for you? Hey, summer energy is about to hit in all-time high, and brace yourself with hot opportunity as we bring you 2026 Grand Summer Internship Fair. So in every year, basically they provide the internship opportunity, and you can get the stipend. So what are the perks and benefits you will get? Hottest stipend, 35,000 plus internship to discover, means you can work on various skills and all those things, and you can also this in your resume too. So I'll suggest everyone, especially freshers, you should apply for this as soon as possible. Now talking a little bit timeline. So these are the timeline. 22nd March apply 1 day early, and 23 to 20 means 3rd April apply to summer internship. So अभी क्या होगा, जस्ट अप्लाई आप कर सकते हैं, रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं, एंड समर इंटर्नशिप के लिए आप 23rd to 3rd April तक अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी. एंड हाउ टू रजिस्टर? सो दिस इज अ सिंपल स्टेप. यू कैन जस्ट गिव योर email, password, or you can basically register now, means giving first name and last name, and otherwise you can just register with Google. So if I want to register, just I have to click register with Google, and for the sake of just showing purpose, I'm just continuing with all terms and conditions they are asking. So now we have login. Now just you have to click here apply now. When you will click apply now, then basically they will ask you that for what opportunity you want to apply. Okay, so they will show you the lots of important internship there. So got internship job, training free, you can enroll for this. Okay, so this is also a, I think, free offer. No, 80% offer. This is the offer. Another important opportunity that Glen Elk Technology, so they are actively hiring. So you can just click here apply now. So you will apply for the operation internship. Just provide all the basic details and make sure to apply with updated resume. Okay, now if you want to apply for quality assurance or digital marketing internship, you can apply for all those things. So this is a wonderful opportunity. I will suggest everyone should apply. And again, let me just show you one application process. This I have started, or let me just check some the important opportunity which is aligning with my skills. Remember to apply, don't apply with any skills, though only apply for that particular internship in which you are interested, means the domain you are interested. So let me check the full stack. I am interested in full stack, so I want to apply here. So I'm just clicking here full stack development, and you can say 1000 plus applicants are there, and 3 month duration stipend is this 26,000, and apply by 16 April. So you can say lots of important opportunity are there. And before going or before applying for any, make sure to update your resume according to the job descriptions. Okay, so you can see there they are asking the skills Angular, Bubble, CSS, HTML, JavaScript, MongoDB, MySQL, Node.js. So I have knowledge in all those things, but I don't have knowledge in Python, but I will just add Python basics in my resume. Okay, so for applying, just click here apply now. You will redirected to new page. Just provide your detail. Ram Kumar, I am providing the details. You can provide the number, about the current city, about the gender, about the language, whether you are college students, freshers, or working professionals. So actually I am working professional, so I can put there, but actually currently I don't have any plan to switch this job. So you can just give all the details and just click next, and you will have to just submit the resume. So these are wonderful opportunity. You can apply. Friends, those who have NQT exam, just follow our playlist, and we have already basically uploaded a detailed video about the TCS digital success story. You can go through it. That will really motivation for you. Almost within one day 1000 students have go through it, and we regularly post lots of important job update. You can also get the TCS free preparation material from the link in the description, and you can avail all these most repeated coding questions, how to take input scenario, and all those things. And must apply for ICICI Bank Expire program. So this hiring is still going on. So I hope informative to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask a comment here. You can also connect me on LinkedIn, and you can ask any query in Insta, Facebook, or anywhere you want to apply. I will try to reply as soon as possible. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.